Okay guys, so here we are inside of the engine bay of the Audi 2.0 turbo. So this right here is our nice new K&N filter. Basically what's different about this isn't like your typical 4-inch inlet filters. These are pretty popular. These are a little bit weirder, honestly. That's all I can say about it. My last one, actually, it may have been old, but it actually broke at the seam here. Most likely why it broke, I'm going to guess his age. I actually made this intake setup off of 2 Spectra kits. This one had this plate, actually, and it had a filter like this, and then one had the other filter that was a larger style like that. But I think it was either for a Magnum or a truck. But basically what you need here is, this is factory component. You can see by the tag here that still has the QR code. Then you need a Spectra adapter. This is about 3 inches. I guess this is about 3.5. But basically, because this diameter inlet just would fit inside of there. But basically you just need a part that puts this large 6-inch filter and reduces it to the inside. That you could probably get off Spectra's website or something like that. Just one of these, like, reducing, I guess, from 3 to maybe 3.5 to 3, something around those dimensions. I'm sure they only make a few of these styles. So right now that I got that piece in, I'm gonna marry the filter onto it. So he slides on this easy. So we will be marrying these 2 pieces here. So that way he's like that. Slide all the way. You just want it to bend the rubber. You don't want to kill it. Oh, yes. Okay. So now we're gonna try to. Luckily, this hose on the Audi is like an accordion, so it actually makes that pretty easy because I can actually flex it. Okay, should be pretty good, guys. Gets tight right away. Alrighty, guys, and there we have it. It's all tightened down. I'm going to show you guys. Okay, guys, yeah, and that's really all there is to it, at least towards my custom little setup. And I know the Luft Technic definitely looks a lot like this. Outside of its custom-made box, I'm just using the factory box and letting the filter kind of fit in there. Might do some reinforcement as well, but I mean, the accordion kind of gives it some spring resistance. That way, if the motor tilts, this won't really tilt up. The accordion should make up for it. This is stock. Then this I just make sure is nice and tight. This is one of the adapters. This thing is relatively notched and has like a thing that's supposed to fit in with the stock airbox. Obviously, to not modify that, I just use the little silicone clamps, and it's been pretty good. It doesn't throw a check engine light. So without further ado, let's just get this thing started and show you guys what you want to hear. Of the video, but from my perspective, this sounds so much better than the Spectra. Personally, it really has a good note to it. I'm hoping the audio picked it up real nice, so that way you guys can hear what I'm hearing. But there's definitely so much more to come on this real soon. I'm going to do some sound clips for you guys, so please make sure, if you're not already, subscribe to the channel, turn on bells for notifications. We're making new videos every single week. And guys, remember to like the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy.